Tired of dealing with a faulty door lock switch that just won't cooperate? This direct replacement switch is designed to perfectly match the fit and function of your vehicle's original part, giving you a seamless fix without any guesswork. Whether your lock switch failed from wear or fatigue, this is the dependable solution you've been looking for. Crafted from quality materials, this door lock switch offers long-lasting durability and consistent performance. It's built to withstand daily use, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Plus, it's backed by a team of product experts in the United States, supported by over a century of automotive experience, proof that this part meets high standards of trustworthy quality. What sets this switch apart is its exact fit for specific vehicle applications. Before you buy, simply enter your car's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool to confirm compatibility. That way, you know you're getting a part tailored to your vehicle's needs, avoiding the hassle of returns or adjustments. One satisfied customer shared how this switch fixed their electric lock issue quickly, saving them from a $90 mechanic fee plus diagnostic charges. It's a straightforward, cost-effective repair that puts control back in your hands without extra trips to the shop. If you're ready for a reliable, no-fuss replacement that restores your door lock's function, this switch is worth a look. It combines durable construction with precise fitment, so you get what you need without compromise. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality part can make.